Stick around. I'm going to show you some safety tips that you can use while out on your bank fishing trips. Most reported non-fatal accidents are related to falls on slippery shorelines, hook punctures, and musculoskeletal strains. If you like this kind of video, please give it a like. I'm going to see if I can follow every single safety tip for outdoor bank fishing and come back in one piece. As an angler, you're probably no stranger to the thrill of reeling in a big catch. But you have ever stopped to think about the risk involved for outdoor fishing? From unexpected weather conditions to slippery terrains to wildlife encounters, there are plenty of hazards that can quickly turn a fun day on the water into a disaster. That's why it's crucial to be prepared and aware of your surroundings at all times. Fishing is a great outdoor means of facing a multitude of challenges. Unpredictable weather can pop up out of nowhere, catching you off guard and making it difficult to navigate the water. Slippery terrain is another major concern, especially when you're walking to your fishing area or just walking the shoreline. And then there's the wildlife encounter, from territorial birds to alligators. It's essential to know how to handle these situations safely. When it comes to staying safe on the banks, having the right gear is exceptional. A life vest, for example, can be a lifesaver if you fall in, or a first aid kit can help you treat minor injuries. Fishing with a buddy is also a great idea, as you can keep an eye on each other and provide assistance as needed. Being prepared for changing weather conditions is also crucial. Make sure you check the weather conditions as it is also crucial.
Ouch.
Make sure you check the forecast before heading out and bring a rain jacket or warm layers just in case. And of course, knowing what to do in case of emergency. To recap, staying safe while outdoor fishing requires a combination of preparation, awareness, and the right gear. By being mindful of your surroundings, bringing exceptional gear, and knowing how to handle unexpected situations, you can minimize the risk and ensure a fun and enjoyable fishing trip. If you got your own safety tips you like to share, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more outdoor adventure content. I've got plenty of tips and tricks to help you make the most of your time on the water. Any day is a good fishing day. So make sure you subscribe.